There are many things to consider when buying a smartwatch, so we've come up with a list of 5 that might be perfect for you. In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 best smartwatches available on the market today. We have made this list based on customer reviews and our own opinion. We looked at the features and quality of each item and selected the best ones. For more information, along with updated prices on the products that we mentioned, click on the links in the description box below. Now let's get to it. Coming in at number 5 is the Garmin Venu GPS smartwatch. It's a good choice for the man who wants to be able to track his activities and monitor his heart rate. This smartwatch has an AMOLED display that makes it easy to read in direct sunlight and has a battery life of 5 days between charges. It also has integrated GPS so that you can map out your runs or rides, as well as support for Spotify so you can listen to music while working out. This watch features a built-in heart rate monitor, allowing you to see how hard your body is working during exercise sessions. The smartwatch also supports Bluetooth connections, so it's easy to pair with other devices like speakers or headphones.